here we go. Make your own Lowry dinosaur. Wow.
Okay.
Okay. It is
fancy introduction.
Mold-O-Rama.
Dun, dun, dun.
Reject the dollar.
Is this H power forward?
No, this is just George Washington.
This is Charlie loading. Try the other way, Charlie. There you go. Oh, man. Here. Let me flatten it out a little for you.
That's pretty flat.
Oh, it's a flatty.
Technical difficulties.
Try it again. Where's the second dollar?
In there.
I don't have it.
Oh, you already put it in?
Yep.
That's right, Charlie.
Oh,
Look up
There it
there.
goes.
H power forward. Hold loading. Down to leave the next one. Rejecting. Look at that. Oh, Charlie. Hold cooling. It's gonna be hot, Charlie.
I think it's ready.
Think it's ready?
When the machine stops, you count to 20.
Oh, does it say that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where does it say that? I love the engine.
Okay, now count to 20, Charlie.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, let's see if we got it.
Is he still in there? Oh, thank goodness he didn't run away.
Oh, let's see, Charlie.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Still hot.
Oh, he is a beauty. Could you ask for a better souvenir of the zoo?